I'm Glenn. I was born in Mexico City. I was raised in California, Southern California. And I'm married to my wife, Leisha. I have 3 kids. I joined the military in 2004, and I was trying to do my 20 years, but unfortunately, I got medically retired after 10 years. Once I got out of the military, I was depressed. I was not happy with myself. Because, I was trying to do a 20-year-old career in the military, but the military said, hey, you can't do it anymore. Here is your disability, and it kind of hit hard on my self-esteem and everything that I was kind of trying to accomplish. We got to a point that I was kind of stable, and then from there, my treatment team and my wife kind of decided that I need something to look forward to on a daily basis. Coming to Bridgerland helped a lot. It helped in give me a purpose, first of all. Give me a purpose. It focused a lot and hands-on. With my disabilities that I can't retain short-term information. Within the first 6 months, it was hard. I couldn't remember what me was what. Having a hands-on, back-to-back, always, every day, the same routine. It kind of became mass memory. It kind of became second nature of how to cut meat, what's the name of it. It was just a good way of kind of keeping that whatever I learned in my memory.
Just to see Glenn's confidence after his time in the meat services program was really neat. We became really good friends with the time he spent there. As he learned and progressed, he kind of almost took charge. He was willing to work with the other students and give them some instruction, so he was very good to be a leader.
They went beyond their duties to learn more about my diagnosis, about how to accommodate the environment to me.
Having that in our class, I think that actually educated Jason and I both, and being able to move forward with our program.
They kind of checks up on me every time, like I have any issues, or if I look confused, if I look kind of disoriented, they kind of got me back into the task in hand. So they have gone beyond their duties of just teaching. The first time I stepped my foot in Bridgerland Technical College, it changed my goals into opening up a food truck, having a purpose there, and it's the same thing. It's for me, it's therapeutic, just cutting meat because you focus in that task in hand. You don't have to worry about anything else. It's just that piece of meat that you're working on, your cuts, making sure they're perfect. So it's a therapeutic going through the whole meat services department.